In this video, we will configure DynamoDB multi-region setup. Okay, so this is called my DynamoDB AWS console dashboard, and here go to the. Okay, let me zoom in little bit. Um, Go to tables, create. In the left side, you can see here, right? Either you can see here left side top corner, either create table or you can create table here in the below. Let me create table. Give the table name. So here I am providing the table name is order. Then the important part is already I explained the theory, right? When you will go for DynamoDB table creation, what are the components required to configure the DynamoDB? The partition key, here I am providing the partition key is order ID. Sort key, here I am providing the order date. The next one is table settings. Table setting basically it refers to your read write capability. Now I'm just selecting here custom settings. In the custom setting you can see here DynamoDB standard and DynamoDB standard infrequent access. Already I explained in the theory class. Hence I'm leaving DynamoDB standard. Then capacity calculator. In the capacity calculator you can specify what could be your record size, how much item you can read in each second, how many items or records you can write into DynamoDB in 1 second. This is called your capacity calculator. Same also here we can specify the read or write capacity settings. So here I am providing on demand. On demand means as per your usage you have to pay for that. There is no limit. Provisioned means we have to manually specify how much capacity I want to do the write operations and read operations. The next one is called your maximum table throughput. Here also we can see it, set maximum read request units, write request unit. Read write means your application capacity. As per the application need, we can set the read request and write request. So warm throughput here keep edges. Now okay, so this is called your local index and global index. This basically used to optimize your search mechanism. How fast you want to search one record from the DynamoDB, you can configure the local index or global index. I'm not configuring local and global index. This is not required for our demo purpose. And here is the encryption key. Look, right, everything in the AWS. If you want to store any data into AWS, either it can be S3 or DynamoDB or KMS key, whatever it is, right? Everything should be encrypted by the KMS key. Here I am just specifying the AWS owned key because this is free of cost and I'm not specifying any resource based policy here. Now let me create the table. Once table is created, look where you are creating the table. You are creating the table in the North Virginia. Now your application will start writing the records into the primary region DynamoDB table. But if my DynamoDB table is present in the North Virginia because of due to some hard disk failure or network failure, if this region is down, your application will be down. We have to make it resilient. How you can make it resilient? One of the copy should be available in other region, and during any disaster we can restore it. For that reason, let us select the table, go to global tables. In the global table, we can set the replica, read replica. That means if any write operation will happen in the primary region, that same data will be available in the read replica in other region. That means you have a backup is ready in the secondary region. Now let me create a replica. So here I'm just specifying the region. Let me select the Mumbai region. Okay, Asia specific Mumbai. Now let us create. So if you'll see, if you'll go to the Mumbai region, go to the tables. Okay, let us wait for some time, it will show the global tables. Let me see. Okay, on recognized exception, the security token include request invalid since. Let me recreate the replica. If you'll see here, let me create the table. Just select the table, go to global tables. Okay, by using the global table concept, we can create a replica in other region. Let me create a replica. Select the region. I'm selecting here Asia specific Mumbai region. Now let me create it. It will take some time to create the table in the other region. Replicating the order table, this might take some time, especially for large tables. Okay, it will take some time to create the table in the other region. Let us wait for some time. We'll see when it will be ready. Look here. Now the current region, this is my current region, and this is called my Mumbai region, and replica. It is just a replica of my current region. That means whatever the data write operation will happen in the current region, same data will be reflected in the Asia specific Mumbai region. Now let me go to the Mumbai region. Let me go to tables, refresh it. You'll see here, now your table is ready. Since this is called a replica. And what operation you can do here? You can both read write operation you can perform in the replica also. And you will see here, this is called my current region. This is called my, because it supports both active and DR, that I already explained in the theory classes. This is all about, here you can say primary, this is called my secondary. This is all about the DynamoDB multi-region setup for DR.